Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Little shortcut here. If you wanted to copy this interactive field down to here, you'd have to go to the attribute eyedropper and get a sample and put it in there. So that's going over the toolbox. You already got your hand on the mouse. Hold down the Shift key and your right mouse button, and it'll copy that field. Same thing with an outline, but you hold down the Alt key. So I'm going to hold down the Alt key, hold down the right mouse button, and it'll make that exact 1/4 inch line on both of them. And if it was like, let's test it out, see if we could make this red. Hold down the Alt button and bring it in here, and it's going to make a red line. So right mouse button, Shift key for the inside, Alt key for the outside or the outline. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.